Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning here in the great white north. Spring is sort of sprung. Palm Sunday for all of our observant Christian friends. And today we're going to be adding the Wild Auto blind spot mirror on Ruby the Ranger. So as we'll see shortly, on my 1998 Ranger, when I bought it, it came with the factory mirrors that were very, very tiny. I went on YouTube because YouTube is pretty cool, and I found where you could modify mirrors from the later model Rangers, 2010, 2011, and put them on your older Ranger with some slight modifications. I went on Amazon, and the ones I ordered are no longer available, but hopefully I can find the link to the original video that I watched, so you can also upgrade your older Ranger to better mirrors. I was driving in the city with my Ranger, and because of the topper and it's a truck, on the driver's side I have a significant blind spot. I thought the way was clear. I signaled to merge and nearly bumped into a young man, apparently with soft feelings, in a very large truck I should have seen, considering all the flags and accoutrements he had hanging off that thing. It even had nuts on it. That's a thing. So what comes in the box? We got these two little pads to help protect. We got the two blind spot mirrors. The only real tool needed is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. I'm old enough where I have a Craftsman Phillips screwdriver that still says made in the USA. Let's move the camera around a little bit and we'll show you how to put these buggers on. So we're going to start out by backing the screws mostly out on the affixing plate here. I'll read you the extent of the installation instructions that came with this. Detach the back paper from the double-sided tape on the back side of fixing plate to attach on the side mirror. That's the first one. Second one, assemble the new support mirror 3 on the fixing plate bolt up. Apparently this is the fixing plate. A lot on Amazon, when they show this, they show everyone kind of putting this thing up on top. I'm not sure that I really want it there. So my plan is to affix that guy right down here. We'll take off that double-sided tape, and I get a guesstimate of where we want that to be. Want it fairly even with the end there. There's my rough estimate of that. Our number 2 Phillips. As you can see, we now have this guy in place, although the mount is a little bit larger than needed for the thinness of the Ranger. I think I'm going to take that off, see if I can't give that a little squeeze, and we'll give it another mounting try. I think I'm going to quickly remove the bracket from the mirror. Okay, so maybe this wasn't a good idea. So apparently some sort of an insert in there, so don't loosen those guys up. Turn these guys out. Alrighty, we're going to take our vice grip. I modified this one many years ago with a washer so I could use it on the frame rack for pulling. Again, I'm an old guy, so this vice grip was made by Peterson Manufacturing Company right there in DeWitt, Nebraska. So we'll take this guy, we'll move that in a bit, give it a squeeze, put the screws back in. Okay, we made that little adjustment to our bracket to give it a little more, hopefully a nice bite to eliminate some of that wiggle. We ran out of screw. Obviously this is a very inexpensive setup. A lot of adjustment, and we'll just repeat this process on the other side. Okay, I've kind of got them adjusted where I want them. I'll have to take it out for a test spin. With the adjustment, they're somewhat sturdy, and these guys are only around $11 or $12. Hopefully mounting them on the underside will be okay, being as the one on that side isn't quite as visible as I would like it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this little bit of information useful. Remember, like, follow, subscribe, all the good things. See you next time.